Can you truly build muscle while practicing intermittent fasting? The idea might seem counterintuitive to some, but recent scientific studies have unveiled a different perspective. It turns out that intermittent fasting, when executed correctly, can indeed facilitate muscle growth. This revelation challenges the misconceptions that have circulated around fasting and muscle gain. Scientific research provides compelling evidence that intermittent fasting can be a valuable tool in the pursuit of muscle growth. While exercise remains a cornerstone of muscle development, other factors play pivotal roles. Among these, insulin resistance and human growth hormone are of particular importance. Intermittent fasting can significantly reduce insulin resistance, a condition where the body struggles to process sugar efficiently. By doing so, it allows for more energy to be directed towards the muscles. Additionally, fasting serves as a natural stimulant for HCG production, crucial for preserving muscle mass during weight loss. These findings suggest that intermittent fasting should not be dismissed as incompatible with muscle building. When approached thoughtfully, it can complement your fitness journey and contribute to achieving your muscle gain goals. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and continue this video by typing "I am healthy" in the comments below. When it comes to building muscle, exercise is undoubtedly crucial. However, there are more intricate mechanisms at play that influence muscle growth. Intermittent fasting, surprisingly, is linked to some of these essential processes. Understanding how intermittent fasting impacts muscle growth can shed light on its effectiveness as a strategy for those seeking to gain muscle. Two key factors in muscle development are insulin resistance and human growth hormone. Insulin resistance, which hinders the efficient processing of sugar, can impede muscle growth by limiting the energy available for muscles. Intermittent fasting can counter this effect by reducing insulin resistance, ensuring that more energy is directed toward muscle maintenance and growth. Additionally, fasting stimulates the natural production of human growth hormone, a hormone vital for preserving muscle mass during weight loss. These insights challenge the misconception that fasting is incompatible with muscle gain. Instead, they suggest that when done correctly, intermittent fasting can serve as a valuable tool for those looking to build and maintain muscle. Among the various forms of intermittent fasting, the 16/8 fasting method stands out as the most popular and well-known. It's often referred to as the lean gains method because it offers a unique balance between building muscle and losing fat simultaneously. Understanding this approach can provide valuable insights into how intermittent fasting can be harnessed for muscle gain. The 16/8 fasting method involves fasting for 16 hours and restricting eating to an 8-hour window. During the fasting period, no calories are consumed, but water, tea, and black coffee are typically allowed. The eating window is when all daily calorie intake occurs. This method capitalizes on the body's natural fasting and feeding rhythms, aligning eating habits with the body's circadian rhythms. By concentrating daily food consumption within a limited time frame, the 16/8 method helps control calorie intake and, in turn, supports both fat loss and muscle gain. The fasting phase enhances insulin sensitivity and promotes the release of human growth hormone, facilitating muscle preservation and growth during the feeding window. Additionally, this method encourages efficient fat utilization for energy, further aiding in the achievement of a leaner, more muscular physique.